Yes, there is problem with Sadhguru because Sadhguru gives, but he doesn't talk about it. Do you think Sadhguru is hiding something about Isha Foundation? Is there more to the story behind these allegations? Are they genuine or just a facade? Why is the Isha Foundation silent? Are we missing something crucial in this narrative? Don't we all need to know the complete truth? Many do not dare to demystify Sadhguru's secrets. So, here I am with facts. Namaskaram. Welcome to the video about problem with Sadhguru. Yes, there is problem with Sadhguru because Sadhguru gives, but he doesn't talk about it. So, here I am with fact. Sadhguru always says this. Let's first provide the villagers with the basic needs and then ask them to meditate. To make this statement true, he started supporting tribal villages, and today over 21 villages are getting supported by Isha Foundation. Constructed more than 100 houses and 112 toilets for these villagers in their village. Over 169 school and college students have received scholarship. And then came health. Isha creates health and hygiene awareness, secondary and tertiary health care for tribal patients. Then these efforts got extended for pregnant mothers. Pregnant mother health care and anemia treatment care started. Along with this, 53.82 lakhs patients got treated through mobile health clinics, Isha rural health clinics and Arogya Alai camps. Isn't it amazing? Over 2,247 free medical camps were organized in these villages. After providing shelter, hygiene, health, Sadhguru shifted the focus to these villages' livelihood. And today, there are 8 tribal entrepreneur groups doing business with a turnover of 6.3 crore rupees. Not just that, there is a farmer producers organization, FPO, which supports farmer communities and gives them training to enhance their bargaining power, income and profitability. Isha handholds 25 such FPOs with 9,000 plus farmers, and these farmers take care of over 39,200 plus acres of land. These are not small numbers, are they? Over 143 crores cumulative turnover is recorded till date. One of these FPOs is Vellangiri Uzavan FPO, and this received 3 national awards and 1 state award as they saw 146% compounded annual growth rate since the inception. Because of all the hand-holding, today the land has turned very fertile, and the sophisticated soil testing laboratory will test over 7,000 soil samples from these lands this year. And then Sadhguru thought about the villagers' wellness. To keep the villagers fit, away from any kind of addictions, Isha Gramotsavam, a sports initiative, was designed. I was there when Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, an Olympic medalist, was the chief guest of the event. Oh, I remember how joyous he was looking at the glory of villages coming together, playing together and winning together. Coming back to the facts. Gramotsavam was initiated in 2003, and till now, the event hosted 1.5 lakh rural players across South India. Mainly, volleyball, throwball and kabaddi are played in this. By 2023, it is recorded that there are over 60,000 players with 10,000 plus female players. And to tell you, many of these women stepped out of their village or panchayat for the first time. Isha Gramotsavam is acclaimed with the Beyond Sports Award in the Sport for Environment category. It also received Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar Award, Sports for Development in 2018, and also mentioned in the Coffee Table Book of Commonwealth Games. Let's dive into a few more facts about the efforts made in education. Isha Vidya was started in 2006, 18 years as of now. 10 schools, 9 in Tamil Nadu and 1 in Andhra Pradesh. 10,000 plus students currently enrolled. 2,200 students have passed out of Isha Vidya so far. 48% girl students, 60% of students are supported by scholarships. A little bit about environment. There are initiatives which are taken in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Since 2004, that is from the last 20 years, 109 million live trees have been planted. 2.13 lakh farmers transition to tree-based agriculture. 82 nurseries are offering 100% organically grown QPM, that is quality planting material or samplings. There is more to the story. I will keep bringing more such facts. But in the recent comments, someone was saying, nice PR akka, nice promotion akka. I was thinking, what a brilliant idea. If my small video of my experiences can be a PR, think about what we all volunteers can do. We should do a PR for Sadhguru, right? Sadhguru shouts for Rally for Rivers, Save the Soil. He shouts for serving people, for making world a better place. Why should we not shout out for him? Let's all give a shout out to Sadhguru. We know, right? Sadhguru knows to give, but he doesn't speak for himself. He thinks he's a Bholenath. He will give, but he will not ask. He is a guru who transformed so many lives across the globe. He gives so much for the humanity. Wherever he goes, he touches them and enlightens them. It's not a simple job. Let's come together and be there for him. Please trend the hashtag problem with Sadhguru. Share your experiences. Thank you so much. I'll be back. Thank you.